Philip's small business is growing fast. He's ready to expand. He decides to move into the cloud using Microsoft Azure, Microsoft's cloud platform, which will allow him to build, deploy, and manage applications for unmatched productivity. Philip has decided to back his data up into the cloud. He contacts his IT reseller, and they open up the Microsoft Azure calculator to size up the amount of Azure credit he will need for daily backups. The calculator tells him in seconds how much credit he needs to buy through Microsoft's open licensing program. Once Philip has the credits, he redeems his key on the Azure portal, and he's ready to configure the backup of his on-premises data using Azure Backup, a simple and reliable cloud-integrated solution. Using familiar interfaces, Philip quickly schedules the backup, safe in the knowledge his data is secure and encrypted in transit and at rest with a 99.9% service availability. As Philip's business grows further, he needs to test new software. He decides that the best way is to create a virtual machine in Azure. He contacts his IT reseller again, and they open the Azure calculator to see how many Azure credits he will need to run this virtual machine. After purchasing these credits, he opens the Azure portal and creates a new virtual machine in minutes using one of Microsoft's virtual machine images. He enters a username, password, and region, and Philip is now ready to test his new software, only paying for the time that the virtual machine is being used. The software testing is a success, and with the virtual machine switched off, Philip launches the new software to his staff. His team love being freed up to do more and are more successful. Join Philip and the long list of customers, including 57% of the Fortune 500 companies that enjoy the power, flexibility, and scalability of Microsoft Azure. Scaling up or scaling down, you will only ever pay for what you use, and you can build infrastructure, develop modern applications, review data, and manage identity and access. Microsoft Azure, the cloud for the modern business.